Hey guys, it's Jess from Freedom Gardener Girl. I just wanted to do a quick little short update. So I've been posting my hardening off videos. However, today is a really nasty day here in the northern half of Atlanta. And so we're skipping day 5. Hopefully the sun will return tomorrow and we'll be able to continue those videos. So please stay tuned. I'm trying to be consistent, so I wanted to put that out there. And yeah, that's kind of it. I do have like some cool, stuff going on in the garden though. It's kind of stopped raining, so maybe I can show you real fast. So here we go. But as you can see, my onions are getting crazy big and like garlic and stuff. And then, last time I harvested the collards that were in here, and there's more here. I'm gonna have to they keep bolting. I keep cutting them off, but they're gonna have to get probably pulled up early because of the wacky weather. Good thing is that we've had cold snap since last night because of this weather that's come through, and so maybe they'll taste really good. So there's that. And then my blackberry bush is all beautiful and blooming. Let's see. We got these lilies, which I really need to repot. And then I've got those over there, and they're like really coming up. So I'm looking forward to seeing those bloom. We got the cabbage. I'm not sure what these guys are doing. My orange tree has made a beautiful comeback. What's left of my Meyer lemon tree is doing all right. I'm hoping that it'll spawn some new growth. My sage is blushingly beautiful. I got seedlings, carrot seedlings coming up everywhere. And there's the one lonely, more mature carrot that's still developing there. What else? We have these collards I found on these two. I actually unfortunately found an aphid infestation and had to get my organic insecticidal soap spray and douse the living bejeez out of them. So I'm hoping that'll help. It's worked in the past, so cross fingers. If not, then I will be getting rid of them. So what are you gonna do? It's part of it. And then I love it. My Yukon Gold potatoes have sprouted and are growing vibrantly. So, and this is within like probably a week's or just a few days to a week's growth. They've already gotten this big. So, so cool. All right. And then I got my radishes. I've like thinned them out about a week ago, or no, probably more than a week ago. And they're getting closer to the point of pulling them. I'm hoping that, cross fingers, I'm hoping that they do better than I did last year. Last year, I had problems with radishes. So, yeah. But anyway, so that's what they're doing. In fact, actually, I just noticed this one is starting to push up, which I believe that's I want to make sure it's a French breakfast radish, so that's gonna be cool. I've actually never ate one, and I thought they sounded good, so here we go. And then my pea plant has grown in spades, let me tell you, and started blooming, which the rain has beat the bejeez out of it. And then my broccoli plant is making a broccoli crown, so I'm like, yay, that's so cool. Berry plants are doing really good. They're really growing, and Got gladiolus bulbs. They haven't bloomed yet, but they've been growing. And then some rosemary's popped up. I had, believe it or not, I thought this was really cool. Apparently, I guess I had some like marigold seeds that didn't sprout last year. And I found them sprouting now this year, which I thought was really cool. So, even though I haven't gotten over there to plant my marigolds and my other things that I need to do, but apparently I'm gonna have some anyway, so it's awesome. But I'll get a lot to do. And then, yeah, so I'll just kind of show you the blueberry patch. And these guys are really coming to life here. They're still babies, but they're doing good. And then my raspberries are really coming up. So things are happening, and I'm happy. Did a lot of transplanting indoors. And, you know, filling my new shelf, getting plant lights installed, and got some more lights. I had to go for some cheaper options because, well, budget tight, and got some clip-on work type lights and put some plant bulbs in there, and I'm happy with that. I'd like to get some more actually. But yeah, that's kind of what's happening. But I guess that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all's support. Just keep telling people about this, and keep pressing the like buttons. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Share it with friends and family. Every bit helps. Every view, every subscription, every like. It helps me to continue to grow this channel and to keep developing a community of like-minded people that want to do these things. So, all right, guys, you can find me here on YouTube. You can find me at Freedom Gardener Girl on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And again, happy gardening. Plant something. Have a great day. Bye.